Good morning, my dear students. Very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are enjoying the classes. Yes, and you all have done the previous work. Very good. So, now in today's class, we will do the next exercise of chapter 3. So, bring out your books quickly and open chapter number 3, exercise C, 3C. See, here I have the maths book with me. Open page number 32 and 33. First of all, I will do these two sums which I have left in previous class. And you have to check in your book that have you done correctly or not. Okay. So here is number 95 minus 36. We have two numbers 95 and 36. So in this side, at one side, 5 minus 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. So 5 will take one borrow from 9. So it will become 8 now, 8 tens. And here we have 15 ones now. Now we have number 15 and 6. So we will start counting from next number of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. 15 minus 6, 9. Now 8 minus 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. So the answer is 59. The next is 76 minus 49. Again here 6 will take one borrow from 7. It will be 6 now and this is 16. 16 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are 7. Here 6 minus 4. 4, 5, 6. So 2. Answer is 27. I hope you all have done this. Yes? Good. Now look at the next page. Exercise 3C. Subtract the following. Okay, see here. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. जब भी हम किसी एक नंबर को सेम उसी नंबर में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, लाइक 64 माइनस 64, सो आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज 0. 4 माइनस 4, 4 में से अगर 4 को हमने कट कर दिया, इफ वी हैव 4 एंड वी हैव closed all these 4, then we have the answer is 0. 6 minus 6, 0 again. The next is 86 minus 0. And here in addition, in subtraction, always if we have 0 here, then the answer will be the second digit always like this. 6 minus 0, 0 is nothing. 0 की कोई भी value नहीं है, तो answer is 6 here. Here is nothing we have, so the same 86 will be answer. Minus 1. 48 minus 1. In addition, I hope you all remember that if we add one number in any digit, in any number we add 1, then we will got the answer, the next number of the first digit. Here, if we subtract one number from any number, then the answer will be always just before number of this first number. If we add one number in 48, then answer will be 49. And if we are doing subtraction, then 48 minus 1 is 47. Okay, understand? 32 minus 32. Again the same numbers are here. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Answer is only 0. Done. And I hope you all are understanding. Good. See the next. Here we have two numbers 29 and 16. If we are doing the subtraction 29 minus 16, we have answer is 13. And if we want to check that our answer is correct, then what we have to do? See here, Rahul knows a trick to check whether the subtraction done by him is correct or not. राहुल इज अ चाइल्ड लाइक यू. जैसे कि आप सब सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, ऐसे ही राहुल ने सब्ट्रैक्शन किया और वो क्या देखना चाहता है कि उसका आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं. आपको भी लगता है ना कि मैंने ठीक किया है या नहीं, है ना. तो ही फर्स्ट टेक्स अवे द स्मॉलर नंबर फ्रॉम द बिगर एंड देन पुट्स इट बैक टू चेक द आंसर. सी, उन्होंने कैसे चेक किया, ये एक ट्रिक है. लाइक दिस, 29 minus 16, the answer 13. Now, अगर हमने इसको चेक करना है, then we will add these two numbers. Bigger number we will leave, this smaller number, and the number which is answer here, we will add these two numbers. If we have this same number, this bigger number in the answer, then our subtraction is correct. Okay, see here, 6 minus 4. If we have these two numbers, 6 minus 4, answer क्या होना चाहिए? What should be the answer here? 6 minus 4, 4, 5, 6. कितने number है? 2. So we have answer is 2. Now the method to check the subtraction is correct or not, the method is this. This answer 2 and this smaller number 4, we will add these two numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many are these now? 2 and 4, 6. So this answer and this bigger number are same, so our subtraction is correct. Okay. Now open page number 34, exercise 3D. Subtract and check the answer. Here we will do the subtraction, and here on another side we will check our answer. Okay, by doing the addition. So here we have number 49 minus 37. 9 minus 7. 9 is bigger. Now we have no need to take borrow. 9 minus 7. Okay, 7. 7 के जस्ट बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 8, 9. So answer 2. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, only 1. 49 minus 37, 12. We have answer 12. Now we have to check it by doing addition here. Okay, so which numbers we will write here now? First of all, this number 12, and then this smaller number from this subtraction sum. 49 is bigger and 37 is smaller number, so we will write smaller number here. Now we will do the addition. 7 and 2. 7, 8, 9. 3 and 1. 4. See, here we have answer 49, and here the bigger number is also 49. So our subtraction is correct. Okay. 8 minus 6. 6, 7, 8. 2. 6 minus 4. Again we will start counting from the next number of 4. 5, 6. 5, 6. Again 2. Answer is 22. Now here we will check our subtraction sum. 22 and 46. Now do the addition. Keep 2 in mind and 6 on fingers. 2 in mind, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 2, 8. Here again keep 2 in mind and 4 on fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 68, 68. These are same. So our answer is correct. 76 minus 58. Here the 6 is smaller than 8. So 6 will take one borrow from 7. It will take 1 tenth. So now it is 16 ones. And this is only 6 tenths. 16 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. So here I have written 18. And is this correct or not? So we will do the addition. 1, 8, 18 and 5, 8, 58. Now do the addition. 8 and 8. Keep 8 in mind and 8 on fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8. The next number of 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 and 8, 16. So we will write 6 here and 1 as carry on the top. So 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 1, 7. So here I have number 76 and here was 76 also. Yes, 76 and 76 same. So the answer is correct. 90 minus 47. Here is 0 and we can't subtract 7 from 0. So again we will take one borrow from this. And now this is 10 ones and this is 8 tens. 10 minus 7. Okay, 7. Next number 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 43. Answer is 43. Here we will write 43 and 47. Okay, 7 and 3. Keep 3 in mind and 7 on fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 on the top. 4, 4. 4 and 4. Keep 4 in mind and 4 on fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 1, 9. So answer is 9 here and here the bigger number is also 90. 90, 90 both are same. So answer is correct. This is the method to check the subtraction. Understand? Very good. Now see second sum. Complete the subtraction and addition facts. अब आपको पता चल गया है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे करना है एंड हाउ वी हैव टू चेक दिस बाय एडिशन मेथड. So now we have to complete these subtraction and addition facts. First is 78 minus 65 and here dash plus 65 is equal to 78. How we will do it? Now we will do the subtraction. 78 minus 65. 8 minus 5 ones and ones. These are placed on ones. So 8 minus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 3. 7 minus 6, only 1. 78 minus 65 is 13. Answer क्या है? 13. And if we are doing the checking of subtraction, then we will do addition of answer and smaller number. So the smaller number is written here and we will write 13 here. 13 plus 65, answer is 78. Okay, write in your books. 90 माइनस 27 इज 63. अगर 90 में से 27 माइनस करके आंसर 63 है, then here we have to complete which numbers we write to check the subtraction. The one is answer and second is smaller number. So we will write smaller number here 27 and here we have to write 90. 88 minus 59, 29. And 59 plus 29 is 88. 51 minus 16, 35. To check this, we will add 35 plus 16 and answer will be 51 here. My dear students, I hope you all understand this sums, subtraction and checking of subtraction by doing addition. Yes, now do the practice of these sums at your home. Bye bye, take care.